We're looking at this last problem here, I guess second to last problem, where we're solving. We got some fractions to deal with. Lots of ways to do it. I'm just going to look at one way. So first we need to deal with that adding subtracting. Subtract a half from both sides. Of course, I do need to have common denominators. So I'm going to choose sixths as my common denominator. Of course, I need to change the numerator as well by the same ratio. So 2/6 minus 3/6, negative 1/6 is what I get from that. And so what I've got left is I've got 2/3 f is greater than negative 1/6. And then if I solve it further, so for more space, I can do it in a variety of ways here. I'm just going to go ahead and divide both sides by 2/3 because it's 2/3 times f divided by 2/3. If I take the reciprocal and multiply by the reciprocal, I can do a little bit of cross simplifying here. You certainly don't have to. You have to reduce eventually. But if I do negative 1 times 1, I get that f is greater than negative 1. And if I do 2 times 2, I get negative 1/4. And then graphing that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I get negative 1/4. Now you can go by whatever scale you want. If you go by ones, be careful. It should go negative 1/4, 3/4, and then 1 and 1/4 from there. And so, yeah, or 1 and 3/4 from there. I'm going to go by 1/4. So 1, 0, 1/4, negative 1/2, which is really negative 2/4, and then negative 3/4. And if I graph that, then f is greater than but not equal to 1/4. So I've got my, or negative 1/4. So I've got my arrow. And that's how we do that problem.